welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be testing this RAYHONG Black Power Plastic Restorer. I got this from temu. I think it was about £2. I think it was on special offer. Again, it's a really small bottle. It's what, 60 millilitres, 2 fluid ounces. So it's not a massive bottle, but I have actually heard, believe it or not, good things about this stuff. So let's give it a unwrap. No chance of actually reading the actual instructions. She's got a magnifying glass. Okay, so I've actually used my phone to actually enlarge the actual instructions, and as you can see there, it says clean the area that needs to be restored. I think that's restored. Pour on sponge or cloth, apply evenly and in detail, wait 10 to 30 minutes for it to dry. And then the formula, I can't read the last bit, probably then you just buff it off, I suppose. So it sounds like it's almost not really a back to black, but a black wax. We used to call it like a black wax. What is white? It's white, it's not black wax. Let's sniff. It smells like car polish. So it's going to be a silicone gel basically, isn't it? So we'll take it outside. And I've got a car in today which has had no back to black or anything like that on it. There's a little area under the engine bay. We'll try it on there, so we'll just pop it outside and give it a go. I hope you can see actually around the actual sun as well, because it's actually a bit of a glare on the camera there. I'll try and stay in this area here so my shadow's actually covering it a little bit. So it says apply with a cloth. These old microfibers here, not one of my best cloths. Is it going to come out? Yep. A couple of squirts. Seems to go quite a long way. Left a little bit of dust in there as well, so we can get that with a detail brush in a bit. It's more of a matte finish. Probably going to use the entire pot of it in this one area. Right, so now it says to leave for about 10 minutes or so, so we'll do that. Come back, give it a wipe, and get a detail brush in there as well. Let's see. But so far, okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm just going to give it a wipe over now with this microfiber. And it's not bad actually, nice OEM finish. I did this side over here, so it's got more of a glossy finish with the Tesco bumper and tyre shine, or tyre and bumper shine. That's £2 for an entire tin. Yeah, it's a little bit glossy for OEM finish, but I also did this area here with the Tesco's dashboard cleaner, which leaves a matte finish, but this has left some little marks here, so I'm just going to go over the top of that with the Black Power and see if I actually can get some of these marks out, see if it'll actually remove any of these little stains that you can see there and here. See if it'll remove those. If it does, then not a bad little product. Don't know how long this is going to last, this product, so I'm using quite a lot of it. It's going to be probably just basically a silicone gel, I'd have thought, with some surfactants and cleaners in there, I think. Nothing spectacular. So when it's wet, or just applied I should say, gives a satin finish. See there, it's the glossy finish I used with the actual tyre and bumper shine. So it's not really very OEM finish. I like this finish on my cars and my underbonnet black, etc. But a lot of people's cars they prefer more of an OEM finish. So if that ends up like that, that's not too bad. So we'll leave it another 10 minutes and then we'll give it a buff and have a look what we've got. Okay, that's another 10 minutes. It's alright, not bad. Some of the marks are still there. Probably repeat applications and maybe get rid of it. But it's £2. I think it's actually about £2.50, something like that. It's not that cheap, really, when you think about it. You're only at 60ml. If that was 500ml for that price, then yeah. So, again, there's probably better products out there for the same price. But yeah, for an OEM finish, that's not too bad. I'd like to see what the longevity of it is. So I know when I use this tire and bumper shine, this lasts for ages, but then it's a higher silicone content. So I suppose it will, because it was going to stick to the actual plastic a lot stronger than the actual just of a cleaner. Actually, as that's drying, can you see that? Was that out of focus? The actual stains are still coming back. Yeah, not bad. Leave me a comment below, tell me which one you prefer. Around the wind. Tell me which one you prefer, the satin finish or the sort of matte finish. This engine bay can do with a good clean. Funny you don't get actual plastic engine covers on these engines anymore. I think this is the 3-cylinder 1 litre turbo. Amazing performance for such small capacity. But you think they'd need it up with a cover, wouldn't you? Anyway, I digress. So, in conclusion, not a bad product really. For the price and the actual amount you get, 60ml, 2 fluid ounces, it's probably not that cheap. It's probably comparable to any other dressings and silicone sprays, etc. But for a nice OEM finish, I think, yeah, you can't go wrong with that really. It's not too bad a little product. Longevity is something that's going to have to be looked at in the long run. Hopefully it's going to be hard wearing and stand up to general use, etc. But for interior stuff like dashboards, if you go for the matte original look, I think it's not a bad little product. If you've used this before, drop me a comment below, tell me what you actually thought and your experiences with it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.